Jimbo, Chapter 5. The sun is shining brighter than ever over the snowy north. Jimbo, the snow-nosed polar bear, wakes up to a dazzling sunny day. But oh no, the ice is slippery, his fur feels warm, and his friends are looking for shade. Join Jimbo as he discovers how to stay cool, share kindness, and make summer fun for everyone. Here's the 5th story in your Jimbo series, a summer-themed story that keeps the warmth of friendship while teaching gentle lessons about caring for others and staying safe in changing weather. We dedicate this story to everyone who knows that even on the warmest days, a kind heart makes the best kind of cool. Chapter 5. The Sunny Summer Day. The Arctic sun beamed high in the sky, making the water sparkle like silver glass. Jimbo the polar bear stretched, yawned, and blinked at the bright light. "Wow, what a shiny day," he said cheerfully. But after a few steps, he stopped. "Whew, the snow feels soft and slushy, and my paws are warm." Kelly, the snowy owl, fluttered by, fanning her wings. "It's getting hot, Jimbo. Summer's come early this year." Jimbo tilted his head. "Summer? You mean the time when the ice takes a break and the sun never wants to sleep?" Kelly nodded. "Exactly. But it's not easy for everyone. Some of our friends get too warm or can't find a shady spot." Just as she spoke, Franky the penguin came waddling up, fanning himself with a soggy leaf. "Whew, my feathers feel like fire. I need a cool splash." Jimbo chuckled. "No worries, Franky. Follow me. I'll find us the coolest place to play." He led the way down the shoreline where the melting ice made little ponds and puddles. Seals splashed joyfully nearby, and fish shimmered under the surface. Jimbo tested the water with one paw. "Oh, perfect. Let's make it our summer pool." Soon all their friends joined in, polar cubs, penguins, puffins, and even a shy Arctic fox. They splashed, played water tag, and chilled their paws in the cool waves. Giggles and splashes danced through the air like music. But after a while, Jimbo noticed something. "Oh no, the water's going down. It's drying up faster than before." The friends looked around, worried. Kelly said softly, "The sun's been strong all day. We need to help protect our pool." Jimbo thought carefully. Then his nose twitched, and a tiny snowflake from a melting ridge drifted down, landing right on it. He smiled. "Maybe this little flake gave me an idea." With teamwork, they built a shade fort using large shells, smooth stones, and leafy branches that Kelly collected. Franky the penguin waddled around fanning water over the shade to keep it cool. When they stepped back, the friends cheered. "The coolest pool ever!" Jimbo grinned, watching the sunlight glimmer through their leafy roof. The animals rested, sipping cool water and sharing fishy snacks. As the glowing sky turned golden, Jimbo said sweetly, "See, even summer can be our friend if we take care of one another." A single snowflake remained on his nose, almost like it didn't want to melt. "Guess even winter wanted to join our summer fun," he giggled. The moral lesson of the story: working together and caring for others makes every season more joyful. Kindness keeps the heart cool, even on the warmest day. Jimbo's sunny adventure reminds us that teamwork and kindness shine brighter than the summer sun. Thank you for sharing this special story time with us. Every moment you spend reading and listening with your little ones helps their hearts and imaginations grow. If you loved Jimbo and the sunny summer day, tap that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more stories from our snow-nosed bear all year round, so we can keep creating stories that nurture kindness and wonder. Join our group of families who believe in the magic of stories and the love they inspire.